Now, your question about why these killings don't get the prominence that they deserve, I have two answers for that. The fact is that high-profile politicians who are famous for their so-called tough anti-crime stances are not confronted by the government. They are not criticized by the government. They are accommodated by the government, and they are able to make fairly outrageous statements that suggest they are supporting and advocating extrajudicial killings of criminals. And the fact is that the government doesn't see this apparently as a problem. It goes unchallenged. With regards to Tagum City specifically, one of the legacies, one of the very malign impacts of this Tagum Death Squad in Tagum City during the period of Mayor Ui's mayorship is that it essentially resulted in a fear-enforced silence on behalf of many of the citizens. Journalists absolutely did not touch these stories. People were aware or understood that challenging or exposing these types of crimes were potentially hazardous. And that is not an overreaction, because the fact is that we know, and we've documented in the report, that witnesses who did come forward to the police were, in several cases, victims of intimidation and harassment. We know that in numerous cases, police who were working complicitly with the Tagum Death Squad would arrive at the scene of a shooting and look for potential witnesses. And they would seek to reveal those witnesses to the Tagum Death Squad to silence them. And we have evidence that that was something that did indeed occur. Does that answer your question? You can have a follow-up.